Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. I have a quick tip for you today that I'm really excited about. This really applies to people who live in the colder climates where your house is going to get more dry in the wintertime and your hair might start to fly and your clothes might start to cling from static electricity, and maybe you're getting zapped, static shock when you go to turn on the light switch, something like that. Your house is dry, you need more moisture in there. Well, I found a really easy way to do this without any special equipment or anything, probably with what you have on hand already. I'll show you what I did. I took a pan of water, and this is not a big pan, and I can't tilt it because it's still steaming. It's on the stove, or was, and can't tilt it because I would spill hot water everywhere. Anyway, I put water in the pan, and I have some essential oil here, cloves. I added about 5 drops of that and about a teaspoon of ground cinnamon to that water. I turned it up on high, brought it to a boil, and then I turned it way down, almost all the way to low, until it settled down and was just slowly steaming and releasing some steam and moisture into the air. And the house in no time flat smelled very pumpkin pie-ish. It's been wonderful. And we've got company coming over briefly in just a little bit, and I just wanted to freshen up the house that way, and it's been wonderful. So now, obviously, with a pan on the stove, you can't go off and leave it. You've got to be nearby and just kind of keep tabs on it. You have a couple choices here. You could use a bigger pot, much bigger than the one I put on the stove. Or you could try using your crock pot to do this. Start out to get it going faster. Put hot water in your crock pot, turn it on high, add whatever herbs or spices you want, or essential oils. I mean, if you don't have the oils and you want to do what I did, you could use whole cloves or ground cloves, and then ground cinnamon or whatever you've got. And it doesn't have to be this. You could add some herbs that you might like, mint or a vanilla bean or something like that would make the house smell really good. Or essential oils, if you use them, you could add them to the crock pot, fill the thing up with water, turn it on high, leave the lid off, and then when you see that that water is good and hot and it's starting to release steam, use your own judgment on whether you can turn the crock pot down or not. Each crock pot is going to be different, so I can't tell you which setting would be best. If it has a medium setting may work well after you get the water good and hot and going. But if it doesn't have a medium, low may or may not work. It might be too low, but especially with the lid off of it. Give it a try. This is a great way to add humidity, moisture to the house and make it smell really good, and you don't need any special equipment other than a pot or your crock pot and whatever things, herbs and spices you might have around the house that you want to make the house smell good with. I hope this helps. I'm excited. It's worked really fast for me, and I wanted to share this with you. This is Judi at Judi in the Kitchen. Have a great day and happy holidays.